Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Jeff. So today we're gonna install this grill light on this car. It's pretty easy. You can install it like 30 minutes or less. And I'm gonna leave a link on the description for the LED light and for the adapter so to insert in the grill. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, and we're gonna install this easily. So I have this adapter for this light here. This one is from eBay, and I've been using it, as you can see, because I didn't know about this one, and I was like put a epoxy glue on it, but now it's easy to remove anyway. And I'm gonna leave the link on the description where I bought this and this one too. So I already put like these three already, so it's really, yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere, unlike the one that I did before, like putting some clear epoxy glue. So yeah, it's pretty good though. It's not too bad. It looks OEM look right now. So anyway, let's install this then. So pretty much you're just gonna put this in here, inside here. Okay, then all the way until it clips. There, it's gonna clip in here in the end, and then after that we're gonna put in the grill. So there's a clip here, upper part, and there it's like a skid pad or something, so it won't like move around. So we're gonna put it here. So when it click, it means that the clip is in and it's not gonna go anywhere. You can just like put it in the center. Okay, so yeah, and next is gonna be the wiring on it. So this is the wiring. It's included with the kit on this eBay light grill. So it's pretty much easy. It's gonna be like negative on any in the ground, and then in the fuse box, maybe in the USB fuse. So we're gonna tap on there. So yeah, let's wire up. So for me, I'm gonna remove this cover, so it's more easier to have an access for the clips and for the wiring. So there's like 1 2 3, yeah, 3, and then bolts. And this one's I removed this for some reason, but yeah. And where's my screwdriver? Let's put it there. Okay, now we remove the clips and the bolts. Now we're just gonna remove this cover. So it's gonna be like a really tight fit here, but eventually it will come out, just a little bit bending in something. So yeah. Okay, just take your time doing it. Okay. Yep. And this one is from the winch cable. So yeah, just gonna put it in the side. And then now you have an access wiring for the light, and then going down there into the battery and the fuse box. So yeah, so it's more easier. I already laid the main harness, and then just clip the wires like that. So there's four of it. So it's pretty easy though. It's pretty easy to install. Just gonna take like 30 minutes or less. It depends on you. So where's the other clips? Oh yeah, that's my winch there. So I don't know where. Let's see, where did I put that? Where did I put the rest? Found it. So just like that, and then one more, and just like this. Okay, so that's done. After that, we're gonna put the fuse. So this one's included with the kit. So yeah, I put it in the USB fuse because I don't see any daylight running lights here. So it's pretty much gonna be like a daylight running light anyway. On this, it's a 7.5 amps, but it's pretty good. The light doesn't consume too much. So yeah, and then I connect the wire from the negative. It's gonna be right over here. So it has like a lot of, you know, for the lights, something like that. So yeah, it's pretty much easy, install. Anyone can do this though. You don't need a professional to do this. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video, and hopefully it's helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time for another installation to this car. So peace.